Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Oh, howdy there, we're back again, aren't we? We are. Don't know if that's a good thing or not, but hi. Welcome back to mon channel. Yes, I am bilingual now. Today I've got to get ready with me. I show you how to get this look. And it's all featuring products from BeautyBay's sale tomorrow. They have their bragging rights sale going live literally tomorrow on the 12th. Yeah, the 12th, sorry, I'm not very good at maths. Get your laptops up and ready, or your phone, whichever's your preferred methods. And loads of their bestsellers have gone up to 30% off. Yes, all the things on my face right now are in the sale. Everything on my face is 30% off. If you want to buy or purchase any other products, or just even have a little browse, you know, the links are all gonna be in the description. Yes!
Just shut it, fatty! Seriously, I cannot just do one video where some loudmouth doesn't just get in the way of everything. Anyway.
Let's just get jiggy with it. So first up in my makeup routine, I take my primer. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herb, and rose water. Oh my god, wow, that's like all the ingredients to bake a cake. And it's from this set. It is the Spritz Mist and Glow set. It comes with 2 other sprays, and this is actually like so cheap. Like, I was so surprised. You got such a good deal. Hello. And with 30% off, holla, that's going straight in my basket. My foundation of choice this evening, my dates for the night, is the beautiful, stunning Milani Conceal and Perfect. I don't think I've ever tried this foundation before.
Oh, I'm excited.
I'm like the worst person when it comes to matching shades online, and this is a little dark. But you know, every mountain... Hello, focus on me, please. Thanks. But you know, every mountain... What is that on my... Ugh. But you know, every mountain has a molehill which you have to climb over to get to the top of your success and dreams. Do you hear the noise of this brush? It's the most frustrating thing ever. And I'm aggressive, you know, these stubby fingers pack a lot of aggression when they're applying this makeup. So the like noise and the speed it goes, it is like something from a horror film. Time for a new beauty blender, sis. I know all you girlies out there will relate when you get that feeling when you use when you use a brand new beauty blender. Now, this is an interesting technique. Actually, you know what? I usually don't wet my blender, but today I'm gonna treat myself because why not? Wow, this foundation really pulled through. Sis got that bread. By the way, this wet beauty blender is going all in my hair, so now I'm gonna look like a nasty little boy who hasn't showered in 7 weeks, but that's fun. Oh my god! This concealer, I have seen so many people talk about it and I've wanted to try for so long. And it's from Makeup Revolution. I had no idea you could get Makeup Revolution on BeautyBay. So when I saw this, I was like, holla! Yes. And it's the Conceal, Define, and Refine. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice plump applicator. Actually, it's French. Thank you. Get your linguistics right.
Hi.
Wow, the concealer really, sis pulled through in the DMs. I might buy you a new bag. So yes, hi, yeah, no, I'm still here. Oh my god, I literally just saw Jesus. He waved hi to me. I thought I was gonna die, but still here. What was I talking about? I don't know. Oh, the concealer. It's lovely. I love it. Anyway, I'm now going to try and make myself look less of a pancake and more of... I don't know. I'm not really sure where that reference was going. My mood swings are getting bad. Whoa, whoa! Oh my god, is Justin Bieber in the room? Ah! Do you get it? Because I sounded just like him. Oh my god, I just realized I didn't even tell you what I'm using. I'm the worst YouTuber ever. You know, I've decided to branch out and become a little bit of a bougie sweaty. So it's the Kevin O'Quan sculpting powder. You see how freaking small this is? Kevin O'Quan, I have a fat head. A fat P-H-A-T head. You know, it's in the sale, it's 30% off. Treat yourself. You know, maybe you could have a little bit of class like me. Okay, now I look gorgy-ish. I mean, that's one way to describe it. Others may say disgusting, but you know, self-love. Don't hate, appreciate. Okay, girls, now it's time to have some fun. So make sure you've got your seatbelt in and you're buckled up because it's blush time. This is the Jouer, or it's written down like jar, but my French in me, because yes, I am bilingual, it says that it's Jouer. And it's, oh, I threw away the box before checking what it was called. YouTubers be like, ooh. Blush Bouquet in rose gold, because we all love a bit of rose gold in our interior. Hey guys, so today I've got me Primark homeware haul featuring rose gold. This is the rose gold blush duo. Didn't I already say that? Yes, stop repeating your fat mouth. It just looks like this. Gorgy, right? Gorgy is like my new catchphrase. I'm kind of obsessed. I'm living. Ew, I literally hate myself. Oh no, where is me brush? Oh my god, I can't find me brush. Where's me brush? Oh, found it. Okay, which one do I go for? So many choices. I can't decide. I'm just gonna do both. Bloop, 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 bloop. We love when the cheekbones pop. I kind of look like that guy from Britain's Got Talent there. You know, the one who made his eyes like pop out of his like eye socket? Eye socket. Now, is that the correct terminology? Or you biologists out there? Let me know. Okay, so what's next, you may be asking? I don't really know. I'm kind of... Hi there! So I'm back from my holiday. You know, a girl just needed some beauty sleep and some time in the sun. What did I do in my time away, you may be asking? Well, let me just update you all. I applied foundation to my neck. I actually went to touch on my eyebrows and I found out that I actually ran out of my eyebrow pencil. But it's okay because I actually have 2 more. Not trying to brag or anything, that came across as so big-headed, guys. I'm not a bragger, honestly. And then I primed my eyelids, which is exciting. Everybody loves that. I used the Makeup Revolution concealer to that, and guys, I'm literally obsessed with the concealer. Like, I literally love so much. Slay. Anyway, it's time to get spooky. So get your witches' hats out the cupboard and dust them off, ladies, because it's time for eyeshadow. Why is that spooky, you may be asking? I don't know myself. This is the Coloured Rain Queen of Hearts palette. Get out of there. Get out of here. Ew, what was that noise? Oh, wow, look at that packaging. It's so sexy and matte and black. Ooh, wait, ASMR. Give this video a thumbs up if you got the tingles. I don't know if that's the correct terminology. I'm sorry if I just offended the ASMR culture. Wow, she's beautiful. Oh no, okay, wow, okay, I'm actually so here for this palette. Look how gorgeous she looks. I'm first gonna go in with the shade here. That one there as my transition shade. If I can find me bloody brush. Where's me brush gone? Oh no. Oh, well, that's not very fun. Oh no. Found it. Oh no, sorry, I actually lied. I am going in with this shade here. It's called Air. I'm not really sure what look I'm going for. I'm just winging it, but that's basically what I've done with everything in my life, and it's turned out pretty okay so far. So I'm actually going to X Factor tonight. I'm auditioning, so let me just do my vocal warm-ups. Thank you. No, I'm actually going to watch the live shows, but I might run on stage if I'm feeling quirky and different, because you know, I can't speak. I'm a stan of The Wanted and not One Direction because I don't follow crowds. I'm not like everyone else. I'm a little different. I wear hats back to front. These shadows are blending out nice and lovely. Thanking you very much. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade which I originally told you I was going in with because I'm a liar and liars go to hell, honey. So watch your back. This one right here. I like ruined all my makeup brushes on Halloween by like using them in like red and black and stuff. And I've been too lazy to wash them because I don't think I've washed a makeup brush in about 1.5 years. Unhygienic, I know. So that's a thing. Oh my god, wait, these shadows are actually blending so nicely. I've never tried this brand before, so all opinions are me own. I need to remember to stop shouting because I actually got a noise complaint last night. My first ever, and I've been living here for 2.5 months, so I'm actually really proud of myself. I definitely thought it would happen on like day 5, but we made it out to 1.5 months, ladies. I think it's raining outside, which is not good. Ugh, I'm such a scientist. Now it has come. It's decision time. I have to decide if I want to use Your Majesty or Royal Highness. I've swatched them both. They're these two here. It's such a tough decision and you both put forward such a great argument, but I think I'm gonna go with Your Majesty. Congratulations, Your Majesty. Oh. I need to spritz my brush, so I'm going back into my little set. Oh, wow. Hello. Oh my god. This shimmer, this bloody shimmer. Focus on me, please. Thank you. All attention has to be on me. Coloured Rain really snapped. Sis did that. Guys! I am literally, I think this is my new favorite eyeshadow palette. Okay, so now it's the exciting time, the time where I'm gonna, why does it keep focusing on my ugly bed? Anyway, back to me. It's now time to make myself look, like a little better. This is from a lash brand I've never tried before. They're called Prima Lash. I'm pretty sure that's Spanish. I love being an intellect. Ugh, my mind, it amazes me. Prima Lash Express. They're in the style, shade, season, I don't know. Envy me, cause you wanna be me. So I'm gonna apply these and I'll be right back. Yeah, bye, I guess. So the lashes are now on. I actually really like them, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I need to calm down. It's just because I had a coffee and my energy levels are like... Anyway, I'm now gonna go back into Spooky eyeshadow palette. And I'm taking the one down here, Royal Prerogative. I thought the word was prerogative, but this is spelled oh yeah, prerogative. I'm so stupid. I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line because I'm a makeup guru, beauty guru. I think my ear is infected from my earring, but I'm too scared to ask my mum to check because she will make me take it out if it is. So yeah, don't tell my mum, please. I'm running really late, but are we surprised? And there we have it, ladies. The eyes are complete. Now it's time for exciting part. It's time to dust off your dullness and sparkle like a diamond. This is the Dull Light Duo. Oh my god, when I say I wanted to try these Dull Beauty highlighters for the longest time, I mean like 3 months, which isn't that long in the grand scheme of things, considering I've been alive for like 19 years and 5 months. But this is what it looks like. And then these are the highlighters inside. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna use, now, I can't remember which is the one that everybody said is really good. I mean, I'm sure they're both good, Dull Beauty. Please don't sue me. I don't want a lawsuit on my hand. I think I might just mix the two, you know? I'm just gonna be that chick. Going back into my spray sets. Ow, I bit my tongue. Ow. What did I do to deserve bad karma? Spoiler alert, nothing. Because I am an angel of Jesus. Oh, holy Jesus, that was literally like 2 swipes. 1, 2, 3, liar! Oh my giddy aunt. Ew, who the hell am I, Jojo Siwa? Hey, what's up you guys, welcome to every single Wednesday! Wow, hello. Come through. And with that 30% off, Sister Snatch Slade Snaps. Oh, I need that still. I'm using it for my brow bone highlights and my inner corner. So this is really it, huh? We are at the end of our tether. It is time for lippy. I've got a lipstick and a lip gloss. My lipstick is from Dose of Colors and it's from the Desi X KT. Oh wow, look at that packaging. Gorgy pops. It's in the shade Amore. How do you pronounce this word? Pretty sure it's a color and it's pronounced mauve. It kind of reminds me of Marge Simpson. I don't really know why. Am I gonna line my lips? No, because I'm lazy. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a nice nude. You know, not those type of nudes because we are children of God. When he tells oh crap, I messed up the joke. When he tells you to send nudes and you reply with your nude lippies, and because we all know I'm a glossy boy, I got this gloss, but we have to wait for this lipstick to dry. So while we wait for that, why don't we just have a dance party? This is from Ank and Henry. I've never heard of this brand, but it was a glitter gloss and I was like, sis, give it to me. It looks like this. The packaging is so quirky. That is the glitter, like, hello. Oh my god, it smells of like, mint. Oh wow. This is in the shade Presidential, which is me. Oh, I like that gloss a lot. I like it like that.
Why am I so cringe? Oh my god.
Finally, just taking our spray one more time. For the final time, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Mario Badeshka facial spray. Ooh, this is one of the other ones. It smells better. This is aloe, cucumber, and green tea because I'm #vegan. I like the smell of this one the best. And yes, that is my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to check out BeautyBay's Bragging Rights sale.
Can you just shut up, Fatty? Seriously, for 1 second.
It starts tomorrow, so get those little laptops up and ready to go. Links will be in the description for all these items. All the items I showed in this haul are 30% off. And yeah, See you guys next time.
I wanna